A very good morning, friends. In this video, we will discuss a very important topic of polity. The topic is Model Code of Conduct. We will discuss what is Model Code of Conduct, why, and what are its features. Model Code of Conduct is a code or a rule which is issued by Election Commission and is prepared in consultation with the major political parties. So why MCC? To ensure a free does not mean that political parties do not have to give money. It means that it should be free from interference. Interference from whom? From the executive. Executive means government. And to a fair election means we have to ensure a free and a fair election. So a natural question arises how the answer is we will prepare a level playing field. So how do we prepare a level playing field? For example, if a code is followed by every political parties and we ensure that no political party would get a extra benefit from the government in power, so we will definitely ensure that every political parties have are on the same level. A question arises: why should we ensure a free, a level playing field? To ensure a democracy. A model code of conduct is not a provision of a law. It means that it is not mentioned in the constitution. It is neither mentioned in the statutory law. That is, no law is backing this. That is, it is not punishable. It does not mean that the political party will violate it, because Supreme Court in many occasions says that model code of conduct is the integral part of election commission. So in this way, it has a blessing of the Supreme Court, and hence no political party can violate it. Now the next feature, model code of conduct is a unique feature of Indian election system. No, approximately no country in the world follow this method. It is an innovation of Indian election system, and it applies during the entire election process. So first of all, we have to understand the duration of the election process. The duration of election process is roughly 3 months in the case of a Lok Sabha election. The model code of conduct is start by the announcement of election by the election commission, and roughly after 3 weeks, notification is issued by the president or the governor. President will issue a notification if the election is of the Lok Sabha, and the governor will issue a notification if the election is on the state legislative assembly. After 3 weeks, the polling starts, and then roughly 10 days after it, the counting happens, and after roughly 11, after some days, result occurs. So in this way, after the declaration of a result, the model code of conduct is finished. Roughly 3 months is the entire election process happens, and the MCC is there. Next feature, it is applies on all government offices and all political parties, civil services on the election duty, candidates, and any NGO that is related to the election. I would want to clear one thing. The all government means that central level, state or local bodies. If the election is of the Lok Sabha, then the model code of conduct will apply on the entire India, and if it is in the particular state, then it will be apply on that particular state. So in this, the entire process of election, no government can announce any new scheme, program which has a potential of swinging the election of the mind of the people. That is, no scheme should be populistic in nature, no welfare scheme, etc. Because it will add a benefit on the political party which is in power. Now, work should not stop during the election process. That is, ministers shall not mix their official work with the election process. Minister will continue to work for the India, but they will not mix it. And they should not use the government vehicle, government aircraft. But the exception is that the prime minister and chief minister can do it, but they should have to reimburse it to the government, and the minister cannot use it. No civil servants in election duty can be transferred during this process. See, there are much more provision of the model code of conduct. I have pointed out some of the important features, and you can always read from the official website of the election commission. Is there any reform that should be needed in the MCC? Uh, One can suggest a reform, that is, it is not enforceable, so make it enforceable. So Supreme Court asks the Election Commission, should we make it enforceable? So Election Commission says that if we make it enforceable, it will be counterproductive. So it gave a reason. They said that election commission says that even it is not enforceable in the court of law, it is enforceable in the court of people. How? For example, if you ban a political parties for violating the MCC for 48 hours or 72 hours or something like that, it will give a negative impression on the mind of the people, and the people will think that no, this political party is not good, it is violating something, and in future if it got in power, then it can violate any rules. So it will be enforceable in the court of people. That is the real punishment, is the impression on the people, because ultimately the people is going to vote and they will choose who will win or lose. Also, election commission says that FIR can be registered if any candidate violates the provision of a law. That is, if a candidate has done any crime under the IPC, Indian Penal Code, then it will FIR can be registered, and after that the any according to the FIR, the punishment should be given to the candidate. Next, it is not enforceable in the court because already the court are overburdened by the civil and criminal laws, and it will, even if we enforceable in the court of law, then it will take roughly 1.5 month for the result to be declared, and we know that the election process goes for roughly 3 months, and if it take 1.5 month for the election result, then it will be not beneficial, and it is a critical time that justice may not be delivered at that time. So election commission says that whatever is there, it is fine and it should not be enforceable in the court of law at this time, so it is good at that time. In this way we have discussed the election process, MCC. So thank you very much. Good luck.